In question number 3, part A, we have the equation for line 1, that is y equal to 2x plus 9. In part 1, we have to complete the table where value of x is given, that is -8, 0 and 4. We take equation y equal to 2x plus 9, put the given value of x, that is -8, y equal to 2, x की जगह पे हमने -8 वैल्यू पुट कर दी, +9 as it is. After solving the equation, we get the value of y, that is -7, and we fill the table it with -7. Now we put the value of x, that is 0. After solving the equation, we get the value of y is equal to 9. When x equal to 0, we get the value of y equal to 9. We put it. We put it with 9. Now we put the value of x, that is 4. After solving the equation, we get the value of y, that is equal to 17. When x equal to 4, y equal to 17. We get it by solving the equation. Now we get the 3 points, -8, -7, 0, 9, 4, 17. In part 1, we have to fill the table, and in part 2, we have to draw the graph for the given table. In part 2, scale is given. Scale is given in part 2. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. What does it mean? 1 centimeter का मतलब क्या है? 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on x-axis. 1 के बाद हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर लिया तो 1 यूनिट ऐड हो गया, 1 + 1 2. फिर इसी तरह से 2 यूनिट के बाद हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर लिया तो 1 यूनिट ऐड हो गया, 2 + 1 3. 3 सेंटीमीटर के बाद हमने 3 यूनिट के बाद हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर लिया तो 1 यूनिट ऐड हो गया, 3 + 1 4. इसी तरह से y एक्सिस पर क्या हो रहा है? ऑन y एक्सिस 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 4 यूनिट. इट मींस 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 4 यूनिट. फिर हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर लिया तो 4 में 4 यूनिट ऐड हो गया, 4 + 4 8. फिर 8 के बाद हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर लिया तो 8 में 4 यूनिट ऐड हो गए, 8 + 4 12. 12 के बाद हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर लिया तो 12 में 4 यूनिट ऐड हो गए, 12 + 4 16. इस तरह से हम स्केलिंग को समझ सकते हैं. और स्केलिंग को समझने के बाद फिर हम लाइन 1 के लिए ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. लाइन 1 पर फर्स्ट पॉइंट हमारे पास -8 -7 है. Point A, point B and point C exist on line 1. पहला पॉइंट हमारे पास -8 -7 है। एक्स एक्सिस पर ये -8 this one and 7 on this point A पर देंगे। पॉइंट ए -8 एंड -7। -8 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर हमने पॉइंट दे दिया, दैट इज -7। A point is -8 -7। Second point is 0 9, that is at point B। x एक्सिस पर इस 0 0 को हमने मूव किया y एक्सिस पर, और 8 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर ये हमें 9 पॉइंट मिल गया। पॉइंट B इज 0 9। Now third point is 4 17, x4 y 17। x एक्सिस पे 4 इधर है। याद है कि हम लाइन 1 की बात कर रहे हैं, लाइन 2 के पॉइंट्स को नहीं देखेंगे। लाइन 2 4 हेयर एंड 4 पे लाइन 1 को टच किया हमने वाई एक्सिस पे, तो ये 16 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर 17। 4 7 पॉइंट सी इज 4 17, एक्स इज 4 वाई इज 17। अब ये 3 पॉइंट्स जो हमें मिल गए हैं ए बी सी, इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को हमने वन स्ट्रेट लाइन से ज्वाइन कर दिया। तो हमने then we get the line 1 after joining these 3 points, point A, point B, point C। In B part we have the equation for the line 2, that is y equal to 1 upon 4x plus 2। The value of x is given -8 0 and 4। Now we have to fill the table। Put x equal to -8, that is given। After solving the equation, we get the value of y, that is 0, and then we fill the table when x equal to -8, y equal to 0। Now put x equal to 0, that is given। After solving the equation, we get y equal to 2, and then we fill the table when x equal to 0, y equal to 2। Now we put x equal to 4, that is given। After solving the equation, we get the value of y, that is equal to 3। We fill the table when x equal to 4, y equal to 3। On line 2, we get the 3 points, that is -8 0, x is -8, y is 0। Second point is 0 2, x is 0, y 2, and third point 4 3, x is 4, y is 3। Now we look at line 2। लाइन 2 पर 3 पॉइंट्स हमारे पास D, E and F। First point is -8 0, that is at point D। पॉइंट D पर x जो है वो हमारे पास -8 है, और y जो है यहाँ पे 0 है। तो ये पॉइंट हमारे पास हो गया। x की वैल्यू हम पहले लिखते हैं -8 0। सेकेंड पॉइंट है हमारे पास 0 2, 0 इज x and 2 is y। 0 2 exists at point E। On x-axis 0 is here, we move to the y-axis, between 0 and 4 we get 2 on y-axis. So at point E we get the point 0 and 2. The third point is 4, 3. We plot it on the graph. 4, 3 exists at point F. 4 is on x-axis. We move to the y-axis. Uh, Before 4, we get 3. 4, 3. Point F shows x is 4 and y is 3. After getting these 3 points, D, E, F, D, E, F, we we join these 3 points by a line and get line 2. We get line 2 after joining these 3 points by a straight line D, E, F. In part C, solve the simultaneous equation for these two lines, that is 2x minus y equal to minus 9 and x minus 4y equal to minus 8. 2x minus y equal to minus 9 represent line 1, that is y equal to 2x plus 9. We get y equal to 2x plus 9 from the given line, that is 2x minus y equal to minus 9. We take 2x minus y equal to minus 9 and solve it. Uh, After solving the equation, we get y equal to 2x plus 9. That shows 2x minus y equal to minus 9 represents line 1, that is y equal to 2x plus 9. X minus 4y equal to minus 8 represents line 2, that is y equal to 1 upon 4x plus 2. We can get line 2 y equal to 1 upon 4x plus 2 by solving the equation x minus 4y equal to minus 8. We take the equation x minus 4y equal to minus 8 and then solve it, and after solving the equation we get the equation y equal to 1 upon 4x plus 2 that represents the line 2. Line 1 and line 2 intersect at the point minus 4, 1. Point G is intersecting line. Point G is intersecting point at which line 1 and line 2 intersect each other. At this point, where line 1 and line 2 intersect each other, x is minus 4 and y is 1. This point shows the point G is common. Point G is common, that is on both line 1 and line 2. So this is the answer. The point we get, my x minus 4, y 1, minus 4 and 1 exist on both line 1 and line 2. Intersecting point shows the shows that the point is common on both line L1 and L2. So this is the answer. line 1 and line 2 intersect at the point -4, 1. The solution is x equal to -4 and y equal to 1.